humanity is once again looking up at the moon, our closest celestial neighbor and a symbol of wonder for generations. That familiar silvery disk in our night sky has inspired myths, dreams, and scientific quests for centuries. For decades, it has waited patiently, a silent witness to our world's triumphs and troubles, quietly orbiting above as humanity has changed and grown. Now, a new generation of explorers is preparing to return, not just from one nation, but several, united by curiosity and ambition. Among them, China has set a bold goal to send its own taikonauts to walk on the lunar surface before 2030, marking a new era in space exploration. This is more than a mission, it's a declaration that a new power has arrived on the celestial stage, ready to make its mark in the history of spaceflight. To achieve this, China is building a new kind of machine, the Long March 10 rocket, a technological marvel designed for deep space travel. This rocket is the embodiment of a nation's aspirations, a journey from ancient stargazers to modern explorers, blending centuries of curiosity with cutting-edge engineering. The last time humans walked on the moon was over 50 years ago, during the Apollo era, a race between superpowers that captivated the world and changed our perspective forever. Today, we're in a new kind of race, a competition of technology, will, and vision, where nations and private companies alike strive to reach new heights. China's lunar program is pushing boundaries and inspiring millions, igniting imaginations and fueling a sense of national pride. The quest to reach the moon drives innovation and promises new discoveries and a new perspective on Earth, reminding us of our place in the universe. As of December 2025, the countdown has begun. Every day brings us closer to a moment that could redefine what's possible for humanity. Hardware is being tested, plans are being finalized, and the world watches as China prepares for its own giant leap, with anticipation building across continents. The story of the Long March 10 is one of power, planning, and the relentless human desire to explore, to push beyond boundaries, and reach for the unknown. It's a reminder that the cosmos is a frontier for all of us, beckoning us to see what lies beyond, and to dream bigger than ever before. The pieces are moving into place, and the anticipation is building. Every step forward is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. Soon, China will join the exclusive club of lunar explorers, adding its own chapter to the story of human spaceflight. The next chapter in our cosmic story is about to be written, and the world is watching as we prepare to take our next great leap into the unknown. What is the Long March 10? It's not just another rocket in China's growing fleet, it's a bold leap forward in the nation's quest for the stars. Imagine a skyscraper of metal pointing defiantly at the sky. This is a machine built to defy gravity and reach beyond the boundaries of our world. Built by the China Academy of Launch Vehicle Technology, this is no ordinary rocket. It represents decades of research, innovation, and the dreams of thousands of engineers. It's a super heavy lift vehicle, designed to carry humans to the moon. With its immense power, it can transport astronauts and cargo far beyond Earth's orbit. Standing 92.5 meters tall, its lunar version features 3 powerful rocket cores, each 5 meters wide. This triple-core design gives it the strength to break free from Earth's pull. Each core is powered by 7 YF-100K engines, 21 engines firing in unison at liftoff. The roar and force generated are truly awe-inspiring. These advanced engines burn kerosene and liquid oxygen, with variable thrust for precise control and reusability. This technology allows for safer, more reliable missions. The Long March 10 comes in 2 main versions, a 3-core lunar variant built for deep space journeys and lunar landings, and a single-core 2-stage version for low Earth orbit missions supporting space stations and satellite launches. This dual design means China can use the same building blocks for different missions, making the program more efficient and cost-effective. It's a smart approach that maximizes flexibility. The rocket is the pinnacle of China's rocketry expertise and a symbol of its commitment to space exploration. It stands as a testament to national pride and technological progress. It's not just a machine, it's the chariot that will carry China's explorers to a new world. For the first time, Traoistam Wadadobobadan, Chinastan Chaun Daoin de Chinderstan, Chinese astronauts will have a vehicle capable of taking them to the lunar surface. The Long March 10 is ready to make history. Its first missions will pave the way for a permanent Chinese presence on the moon. Its versatility is key to China's lunar ambitions. Whether launching lunar landers, crewed missions, or supporting space infrastructure, it adapts to every challenge. This is the vehicle that will launch a new era. The Long March 10 is not just a rocket, it's the future of China's journey into deep space. Reaching the moon is a complex ballet of orbital mechanics and timing. China's plan for its first crewed lunar landing uses two separate Long March 10 launches. First, one rocket sends the Lanyu lunar lander into lunar orbit, where it waits. Later, a second rocket launches the taikonauts aboard the Mengzhou crew spacecraft. The crew travels to lunar orbit, rendezvousing with the waiting lander. In orbit, the two spacecraft dock, a delicate maneuver far from home. Two taikonauts transfer to the lander for the descent. The third remains in orbit. This two-launch approach adds safety and flexibility, breaking the mission into manageable parts. It's a robust solution to the immense challenge of lunar exploration. Precision and timing are everything in this cosmic dance. The stage is set for a new kind of lunar landing. A rocket is just the beginning. China's lunar mission relies on a suite of advanced hardware: the Mengzhou crew spacecraft, the Lanyu lunar lander, the Wangyu spacesuit, and a lunar rover. Mengzhou is built for deep space, protecting its crew and guiding them to the moon and back. Lanyu, embracing the moon, will carry two taikonauts to the surface and back to orbit. The Wangyu suit is a personal spacecraft, shielding astronauts from the moon's harsh environment. The rover extends their reach, enabling exploration far from the lander. Together, these tools form a complete system for human lunar exploration. The Long March 10 is the result of years of design, development, and relentless testing. By late 2025, China's lunar program is a hive of activity, with prototypes for the rocket, lander, and crew spacecraft complete. Key tests, like the Mengzhou pad aboard and static fires of the rocket's engines, have built confidence. Next up, a full-scale static fire and a low-altitude flight test to prove reusability. The Lanyu lander faces integrated system tests to ensure flawless operation. The first uncrewed Long March 10 flight, likely in 2026, will test the Mengzhou capsule in space. Each successful test brings China closer to the moon. It's a careful, methodical process to ensure safety and reliability. The Long March 10 isn't just powerful, it's smart, built for reusability. Its first stage boosters are designed to return to Earth for refurbishment and reuse, slashing launch costs. This leap in technology makes space more accessible and enables more frequent, ambitious missions. China is embracing reusability as a national strategy, with the Long March 10 paving the way for even more advanced rockets. Commercial companies like Landspace are also racing to develop reusable rockets, accelerating progress. This revolution, pioneered by SpaceX, is reshaping the global space race. The ability to launch quickly and cheaply is now a strategic advantage. For China, reusability makes the two-launch lunar mission sustainable. The Long March 10 is unlocking a future where moon missions are routine. The reusable era has arrived in China. China's lunar ambitions face a formidable rival, America's Artemis program. Artemis, led by NASA, is an international effort using the powerful SLS rocket and Orion capsule. Both programs aim to land astronauts on the moon, but their approaches differ. SLS is expendable, launching crew and hardware in one massive flight. China's Long March 10 uses reusability and a two-launch strategy, aiming for sustainability. The U.S. increasingly partners with private industry, like SpaceX's Starship, while China's program remains state-driven. This dynamic creates a compelling race, accelerating progress for all. The competition is about more than flags. It's about leadership, partnerships, and shaping humanity's future in space. Rivalry is driving innovation, just as it did in the Apollo era. The new space race is opening the lunar frontier for a new generation. The path to the moon is filled with immense challenges. China's leaders admit the workload is heavy and the schedule tight. Every system, the rocket, lander, and crew capsule, is new and must be proven reliable in space. The Long March 10 features many firsts, from powerful engines to reusable boosters. The Lanyu lander must perform a flawless automated landing. Mengzhou must survive deep space and high-speed re-entry. The aggressive timeline leaves little room for error or delay. The mission's complexity and inherent dangers demand meticulous planning and redundancy. The two-launch orbital rendezvous adds another layer of risk. Overcoming these challenges will be the ultimate test of China's space program. When the Long March 10 launches, it will be more than a rocket, more than just a machine of metal and fire rising into the sky. It will be a defining moment for China and the world, a symbol of ambition, unity, and the relentless pursuit of progress. A successful lunar landing would cement China's status as a top-tier space power and inspire national pride, igniting the imaginations of millions of young dreamers. It marks the start of a new, multipolar era of space exploration, where nations collaborate and compete to push the boundaries of what's possible. For the first time since Apollo, another nation will have the full capability to send humans to another world, opening the door to new possibilities and discoveries. This achievement will inspire others, spark collaborations, and accelerate discovery, as scientists and engineers around the globe join forces to reach even further. Technologies developed for the mission will benefit life on Earth, driving innovation in fields from medicine to energy and improving daily life for people everywhere. But the greatest impact may be on our perspective, reminding us to look beyond borders and differences, and to see ourselves as part of a larger human story. It reminds us of our shared place in the cosmos and the fragile beauty of our home planet. As the decade ends, the Long March 10 stands ready for history, poised to carry the hopes and dreams of a nation, and the world, into the unknown. Its journey is not just China's story, but a chapter in the ongoing adventure of humanity's quest to explore, learn, and grow. This is humanity's next chapter in exploring the universe, a step that will echo for generations to come. The sky is no longer the limit, our dreams now reach for the stars and beyond. It's the beginning of an infinite frontier, where the only boundaries are those of our imagination.